Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, March the 7th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. But we will see if this is really a 4 stars, because for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more for 4 stars puzzle, and this will be number 4225. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. I do not know, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box or single boxes? Here one and there one. Single box is always a 1, so let me put a 1 here. There also a 1. Following question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? I cannot see any dual boxes in this puzzle. I see 2 triple boxes. Well, triple box, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, but what I know is the box near the middle box is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, same for here. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. And the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, here another one. Triple box. Look, the inside box, the box near the middle box. But I cannot fill any numbers here. Alright. Then the following question. Quadra boxes. Can I see here any quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, construction, whatever. You name it. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw this here. Draw this here. The Z construction. Yes. Or the S construction. If you flip this figure or mirrored it. Okay. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Same for the S construction. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Then the following figure or shape. How about this shape? This shape. Yeah. Let me draw this shape. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, right. Then the following figure. How about this figure? Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes of figures in this puzzle. We have only 3. Yeah. Of them. There are more. Maximum of 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3. Well, why you need to recognize those shapes or figures or construction or structures, well, then the following step or strategy, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the one cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. Can be 4. And cannot be a 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely 2. Okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. In this Z construction, we need a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. That box can also not be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, okay. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. As a pair, 4 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, and that box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or the 5. Alright, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5. So this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Then. This box. Wait. These two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 box left in this area for the 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. This box is 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there. So now it's a 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a no. Let me wait. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. It's in the same area. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Finish in 15 minutes. Exactly. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star, publisher. It's not really a 4 stars. We need more, and we don't need any more easier tectonics. No. More complicated. Yeah, we need more complicated tectonics. So the indication of the difficulty level with 4 stars is incorrect. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.